Hey guys, this is Harjeet here. I hope you're enjoying different videos on my channel. Guys, as part of this video, we're going to cover that if you're learning Spark, what are the options available to you uh, to practice. One option is you can have your own Spark cluster. You can set it up on your machine, or you can have your own cluster uh, on some cloud or something. Or if you like notebook kind of environment, there are two very easy to use options which I wanted to tell you as part of this video. First is our Databricks. So you might have seen me using Databricks community version in a lot of my videos while giving demo. So this is a very convenient way of practicing Spark. You can go to community.cloud.databricks.com. I have given the link of this website in my description, uh, and you can click on sign up button here, sign up link here, and then you can select the community version, fill some details, and then you are ready to go. Other option is using Spark Notebook. So Spark, I have given the link of this website also in my description. So it is a very convenient way of using. I like it a lot, actually. So what it does is it has given lot of compilations with 2.10 version, 2.11 version of Scala, and different version of Spark also, 1.6, 1.6.3, 2.2.2 Spark. I usually use Spark 2.2.2 with Scala 2.10. So this is the specific version which I am using. So you can click on it and download it. Once you download it, you can copy it into a folder on your machine. Then just extract this. It may take few seconds to extract. So once this folder is extracted, you can go in that. Cool, this is extracted. And then you will see a bin folder. In bin folder, you will see a Spark notebook.bat file if you're on Windows. Then click on it. This will start a command prompt and it will start your notebook server. Spark can be accessed, this notebook can be accessed at port number 9000. So let us access it. Cool, so this is the notebook. So on the right side of the window, right top side, you will see a new button. Click on it. First, let us create a folder. So we'll create a folder name notebooks. Go inside that folder and create the notebook. Let us name our notebook as test. Cool, it has immediately created the notebook. You can change the view of your notebook by going to view tab. So I specifically like this view. So Spark is ready to use. So you can just type SC and shift enter. It may take few seconds to run the first command because it will be initializing Spark context. So my Spark context is ready. So then you can do anything here. So you can get Spark session also. Cool. So I hope you like this video. So you can practice Spark streaming, basic Spark, RDDs, data frames, anything on Spark Notebook or on Databricks. So I hope this video will be useful for you. Please subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends. Thank you.